Why are you acting weird?
Do it. Do it.
I can't
Do
see,
it.
Linda.
Do it.
Move some fucking light. I can't see the turn.
It's right here.
No shit.
I know, do the most annoying sound in the
If I
world.
can see, I will.
Do it.
No.
Here. You can see now. Most annoying sound in the world.
It is Linda watching me with a phone and asking me to do things constantly, over and over and over. And then on top of that, asking me a million questions. And if you don't believe me, you can call her dad. Her dad is Kim Simon. Look him up. He will tell you everything you need to know. Have a good day.